Imagine earning money while you sleep. In 2026, this isn't just a dream, it's a survival strategy. With rising living costs and financial insecurity, passive income is how roughly 20% of Americans are reclaiming their time. Most people trade hours for dollars. That's active income. But passive income is a self-sustaining business model, where you do the work upfront and collect payments over time with little to no sustained effort. Today, we're breaking down the top 2026 strategies to get your money working for you. First up, the AI agent explosion. The global AI agent market is hitting an estimated $7.6 billion this year. Forget general chatbots. The real money is in specialized vertical agents for recruitment, e-commerce, and content repurposing. Consultants are currently charging anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 per project to implement these autonomous workflows for businesses. Next is YouTube automation. You can run faceless channels without ever appearing on camera by outsourcing content to AI or freelancers. If you pick a high-paying niche like finance or tech, you're looking at CPMs as high as $40. Top performers are reporting over $50,000 a month in passive revenue from these automated assets. If you prefer traditional investing, 2026 is a safe haven year. High-yield savings accounts and CDs are offering up to 5.25% APY. For long-term growth, dividend stocks in utilities and healthcare remain a favorite of investors like Warren Buffett for their steady, hands-off payouts. What about crypto? The 2026 outlook is cautiously optimistic. We've moved past pure speculation into tokenomics 2.0, where projects focus on tangible value like buybacks and fee sharing for token holders. Bitcoin has solidified its place as a safe haven with over $58 billion in ETF inflows since inception, making it a staple for institutional portfolios. Don't overlook physical assets. Airbnb and short-term rentals can generate up to $10,000 a month if you automate your check-ins and cleaning. Or go semi-passive with vending machines or ATMs, which can net you hundreds in transaction-based income per machine with just weekly maintenance. Now, let's talk tax hacks. The One Big Beautiful Bill, OB3 Act, signed in 2025, changed everything. The state and local tax SALT deduction limit was temporarily increased to $40,000, which is huge for high-income earners. Plus, there is now 100% bonus depreciation for qualified business property acquired after January 19, 2025, allowing you to deduct the full cost in year one. To maximize these benefits, you need a solid foundation. Forming an LLC is critical for separating your personal and business finances, protecting your assets from liability, and unlocking professional tax deductions. The secret to 2026? Start with one idea, build a system, and scale. If you found this useful, hit that subscribe button for more wealth-building deep dives. See you in the next one.